Hey everyone, this is our Elephant Sounds car horn. Small unit, guys. This is a button version of a horn. Black wire will go to a negative source somewhere, a battery or negative somewhere. Red wire goes to a 12-volt power source somewhere. And then you have your button here, which is the yellow wire from the horn to go to one side of the button. And then you run another 12-volt wire a power source to the outside of the button. So here's our Elephant Sound car horn. Keep in mind that it's a lot louder in person. We just got it facing down right here because these things hurt our ears. So here's our Elephant Sound car horns, guys, for you guys that are Alabama fans.